Greeting everyone, it's Taki once again. This video will show you how to open a foreign bank account like international bank account if you are living in country like especially for African countries or countries that don't allow you to create international bank account as a normal citizen. So all what you need to do is just follow my steps. I will press monitor and then go for this application, download it. After you download it, just open it. Here I was gonna be creating a new account. You just need to scroll down, guys. Hit scroll down. I will press Tunisia in my case, and then go for the creation. Then I'm gonna be using a Google account. After that, is gonna be adding my phone number. You will have a verification number code. After that, you will just need to get a PIN in order to open the application with this PIN. So here guys, which is the payment and identity and address verification. All what you need to do, which is go for the identification or verification process. So it's gonna be here, which is I'm gonna fill all the information that's related to me. So I'm gonna be skipping this part or hiding it in order to show you guys how to get the thing. Nationality is gonna be getting your nationality, then go for continue. So here is pay as continue. So after that, guys, you need to pay for $5 with whether international bank or customer support if your money securely held by regulation institutions. So if you want to completing this payment and why you have this, so all what you need to do is just you can deposit via USDC, instantly Solana, bank cards, money, mobile money, bank transfer, all the things that you can do with it with only $5, and you will have something related to you. After that, it's gonna be processing the payment, the identity verification, address verification, and then you will have a bank address on your account, which is you need to pay, you need to verify identification, the address verification, and then you will receive a bank account, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Peace.